Apollo 11, this is Houston. You are go for EOI.
Hi, I'm Karl Konrad, an immigration specialist who has been practicing for 23 years since I founded Australian Immigration Law Services here in Sydney. We make these videos to help people keep informed about the complex migration system here in Australia. If you've learned something after watching this, then subscribe to our channel to learn more. Setting up your expression of interest, known as the EOI, is crucial to ensure that when you come to apply for the visa, you have the highest chance of success. Remember, an EOI is not a visa application, and it remains on the Department's Skill Select system for up to 2 years. The most crucial aspect of an EOI is to make sure certain documents are still valid while you wait for that invitation to arrive. We have found that many people have received invitations recently suddenly realize that some of their documents are out of date. Make sure that you're checking the validity of the documents used in your expression of interest. English test results are valid up to 3 years for migration purposes, despite that some results may indicate a shorter validity period. As far as immigration is concerned, all English tests are valid for 3 years from the day you sat the English test, not the day the results were issued. Recently, the Immigration Department has been sending out notifications to EOI holders warning them that their English results are about to expire. This is the notification we received for one of our clients based upon their EOI we lodged for them. However, we noticed a serious problem with this notification. You can see it reads, "If your English language test was undertaken more than 36 months from the date you apply for your visa may be refused." This is incorrect. It implies that you can provide a new English test up until you apply for your visa and after the date you have received your invitation. Everyone knows your English results must be valid up until you receive your invitation to apply for the visa. If you receive an invitation to apply but your English or skill assessment results are no longer valid, you cannot rush out to get new ones and then use these new results to lodge your application. If you did this, according to the law, your application may be refused. In relation to English points, the current Immigration Department policy document, it clearly states the English language definitions in the regulations 1.15D and 1.15EA require the applicant to have undertaken their language test in which they have achieved a specific score in the 3 years immediately before the day on which the invitation was issued to the applicant. Skill assessment results too must still be valid at the time you receive your invitation. If the result on your skill assessment does not mention a validity date, then they have a validity date of 3 years. If the result specifies a shorter validity date on the outcome letter, then you must abide by that shorter period. For the community language points, by using a NAATI result, the older results are valid for 3 years while the new ones are now valid for 5 years. These results too must be valid up until the time you receive the invitation to lodge the visa. Like with all time of invitation criteria, it would not matter if the results expire after the invitation is received and before you actually lodge the visa application. The point system is designed in a way to ensure that the points that you claimed in your EOI are locked in when they invite you to apply. The only point section that is not locked in at the time you receive your invitation are the partner qualification points. The partner qualification points are given to you at the time your case officer makes a decision. This is a complex issue, and if you haven't seen our video on this matter, we'll leave a link at the end of this one. If you need help in navigating all these rules, we are here to help. Book a consultation with us on our website at australiavisa.com. If it's urgent, give us a call and we'll try and squeeze you in. Don't forget to subscribe and also keep an eye out for our weekly news updates, which comes out on the weekends. As always, take care out there and I'll see you next time. So bye for now.